everybody, welcome back to MBE. It has been an extremely busy Friday. We have Joey's working on the DMG 100. Those are 9800, or actually go from 986, 9600, 9800 billet Big 9 intake manifold. So that'll go with our 10.2 billet intake that we do, which also can come in 10.6, 10.8, so on and so forth. Scott has been working on the billet A460 manifold, so that'll be good for truck pullers and stuff like that. We're also going to offer this in a cast version. It will be a little more money than the billet because it will cost more, but we'll offer that also. Bob was working on a manifold project. We really don't want to go into that quite yet, but that will be on a billet small block Ford. And Dave is working on finishing we have an order for a boat deal. It's 2 conventional 18-degree big blocks with Roots blowers on it. So he's finishing the last manifold on that, and then all of that will be finished up on Monday. Dave will be assembling all that, finishing it all up. And then we have Ian is putting top fuel hoops in a repair head. So lots and lots going on here. All right, but it's really late Sunday, so let's go. Let's do this week at MBE. So more Big 9s as always. Come over here. So this is the new 5-inch bore space head that we're designing for Brodex, and then we're doing our own. So this is just about ready to ship to Brodex. Once we do a video on this, you're going to see this thing is going to. It's going to be most amazing, I promise you. We're really excited about it. We made a lot of changes to this, so we'll go into that later. We got the big 9 manifold right here. So this is the 9.8 version. Joey just finished this up last week. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The tool path and everything worked out amazing. And then we're also doing a version for the brass wall pattern carburetor, which is much larger. So that has like a 2800 or even larger butterfly, I believe. So we're doing a bolt pattern for that, and then all of this will be opened up down in here. So we got the CAD finished for that. So we will offer that in both versions. And then we're just fixing these up for a customer. We do not do these, and we will not do those. Those are a hot mess. So we're not going to mess with those ever. And then let's look at some other good stuff. So you've seen all that. Actually, these 2 sets of heads right here are for Matt Dahl. These are the cylinder heads. We're taking some of the intake port, the chamber, some of the other things that are in the billet small block Ford head, and we're going to offer this in a cast NA version in this casting. So we've recently finished the exhaust port. We weren't able to use the exhaust port, but we have it finished. The exhaust port turned out excellent for this. It's over 300, and you got an intake port that flows 500. But this is for an NA setup. This is an 8-degree cylinder head. This is for NA. Of course, we have all the other 2 versions we do for this too. So 3 versions in that. So you guys that have to run a cast head, normally aspirated. That's going to be a nice option right there. You can see this bench was full the other day, so Ian kicked some serious butt this week, getting a bunch of repair work, a lot of welding. Oh my gosh, he worked his tail off this week, and you can tell. So either this stuff is being close to like ready to ship, like this set right here is ready to ship. So they'll get these boxed up, and then we'll do the shipping on that. Most of these others are waiting on valves, so we have about 25 projects that are finished, waiting on valves, maybe more. You can see here's one of the blower manifolds. This is for Ed's and Ed's Automotive, so that's one of the blower manifolds for that. And then we also have the blower manifold here finished somewhere for the Big 9. So we got a Big 9 Roots manifold we offer too. So basically, let's see what's in this room, Mr. Jimmy. See what's going on in here. So just more stuff to service. We got a set of D3s that they broke some parts, so we'll finish all that up. We got a set of old 18-degree Big Chiefs. We're servicing these for a customer. And then these are an old set of SC1. So like we're talking like almost 30 years old. These two sets of heads are. and these are probably 20 years. But we'll get them fixed up, and they'll be close to as new as we can get them when they're finished. So they're in line here to be cleaned. We'll get all this cleaned up, everything off it so they look nice. And then we have a set of spec heads, the Chevrolet version spec head, and the customer just wants some valve job on the Epoch. He just wants everything to be perfect. So anything he can do to find an advantage, and he's hoping he can find something with the Epoch valve job. And us too. All right, well, thanks for joining us, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.